Today my daughter wanted to make herself some breakfast and she wanted you guys to watch her.
Okay.
Hope you enjoy.
Hold on, let me get you some dough.
Hi guys, my mommy. I have my apron.
My apron, by the way.
Okay, so what did you do? You gotta put some salt now.
Okay.
What did you do?
Girl, you need to twist that thing.
How did it?
What is this?
Salt.
And you put a lot or a little bit?
A little bit.
Okay, now you gotta mix it up.
Okay.
So let's see how it goes. Alright, carefully pour the egg. Help me.
Mommy, look at me. Thanks for watching.